Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. How to start a successful screen printing business. First, let's see a short glance of total facts for the screen printing business. You can see investment range, revenue potential, time to build, profit potential, and others. Now, when opening your screen printing business, keep these essential aspects in mind. Location, niche, equipment, design software, supplies, register your business, legal business aspects, website and online presence, safety regulations, eco-friendly practices. 1. Is screen printing the right business for you? When you plan to start a business, you must choose one that fits your situation and preferences. That's why, in this section, we'll delve into everything you need to know to make that decision. Before we dive into the video, let me introduce you to Busy, a professional formation service company that specializes in helping you file your LLC or corporation. Busy is an amazing company that simplifies the entire process of creating your LLC. They even offer a service where they'll file your LLC on your behalf, saving you from all the hassle. A full review of Busy is available in the description box below. Okay, now let's get back to today's video. Pros and cons. Before you venture into the world of screen printing, you should be aware of the pros and cons of the industry. As you can see both of them. Screen printing industry trends. The global screen printing industry is expected to see strong 16% growth through 2027. Industry size and growth. Industry size and past growth, nearly $9 billion. Growth forecast, nearly 3%. Number of businesses, 12,000. Number of people employed, 67,000 people. Now trends and challenges. As you can see the images of details. Two, define your unique printing niche. When launching a screen printing business, it's essential to define your niche to stand out in a competitive market. Begin with market research to understand your customers, competitors, and industry trends. Look for gaps in the local market, such as a lack of 90s-inspired prints, and align those with your own skills and interests to find a strong niche. Decide on your product offerings, which could include t-shirts, mugs, posters, ceramics, or even custom items like snowboards or medical devices. The possibilities are vast, so choose what fits your strengths and market demand. For pricing, if starting from home, aim for a 50 to 55% profit margin by factoring in material and ink costs. Use tools like profit margin calculators to set competitive yet profitable prices. Identify your target audience based on your products. Younger buyers for t-shirts, via TikTok/Instagram, or businesses for office items, via LinkedIn. Start your operations from home to save on costs, but plan for growth. Eventually, you may need to rent a commercial space that's central, well-lit, ventilated, and comes with a flexible lease. 3. Create a name that sticks. Choosing the right name is a key step in building your screen printing brand. Aim for a short, catchy, and easy-to-pronounce name that reflects your products or services. Tips for naming your business. Include relevant keywords like screen printing to boost SEO. Choose a name that allows for future growth, e.g., Prime Design Prints over Sports Screen Printing. A location-based name can help with local SEO but may limit future expansion. Ask for feedback from friends, family, and social media circles. Check trademark availability on the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office website. Search for available.com or .org domain names for credibility. Secure your name on social media platforms. 4. Outline your business blueprint. As you can see, this requirement will follow step by step. Five, formally register your company. 1. Choose where to register. Most business owners register in their home state, but if you're open to relocating, some states offer better tax benefits or business incentives for screen printing businesses. You can also transfer your business later if needed. 2. Select a business structure. Your business structure impacts your taxes, legal liability, and setup requirements. Common options include sole proprietorship, easiest to start, but no liability protection. Partnership, like a sole proprietorship, but with 2 or more owners. LLC, limited liability company, offers liability protection and pass-through taxation, a great fit for most small businesses. Corporation, separate legal entity, offers strong protection but has double taxation. S Corporation, S Corp, a tax election, not a structure. Profits pass through to shareholders' personal tax returns, avoiding double taxation. Recommended. Most small business owners benefit from forming an LLC due to its balance of protection, simplicity, and tax flexibility. Tip: you can register your LLC quickly using online formation services, which handle name checks, filing, and official paperwork. 6. Sign up for tax filing. Before paying taxes, you need an employer identification number, EIN. Apply for free online, by mail, or fax via the IRS website. Sole proprietors can use their Social Security number instead of an EIN. After getting your EIN, choose a tax year. Calendar year, January, December, or fiscal year, any 12-month period. 7. Secure funding to get your shop running. As you can see these options. 8. Apply for business licenses and permits. Starting a screen printing business requires federal, state, and local licenses and permits. These may include federal, DBA registration, OSHA health permits, trademarks, copyrights, or industry-specific licenses. State and local, vary by location. Check your state, city, and county websites for exact requirements. For convenience, use tools like the SBA State Guide or services like MyCorporation's Business License Compliance Package to ensure you're fully compliant with all necessary regulations. 9. Open a bank account for your business. To manage your finances professionally, open a business bank account before earning revenue. This keeps your personal and business finances separate, making tax filing and income tracking much easier, even for sole proprietors. Opening an account is simple and similar to a personal one. Compare bank features, fees, and benefits, then bring required documents like your EIN or SSN, articles of incorporation, and any business licenses to set it up. 10. Handle insurance. As you can see, types of business insurance. And that's all. Thank you for watching till the end.